Today we'll talk about how can you add description on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you will find here settings, just click on it. So then you come to next here, you click here on business info, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, so then you will find here description, and here can you add or change your description here if you have it before. If you don't, can you add it in this list? You go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.